Hey guys, what's up? What are you doing? Well guys, this time I am gonna to explain two topics about the English alphabet and the consonant sound, right? Well, the first feature about the English alphabet is the English alphabet consists 26 letters and a letter has a uppercase capital letter and the lowercase small letter. For the five of the letter in English alphabet are vowels is A, E, I, O, U. For the remaining 21 remember are consonant B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, A, C, or C, and usually W, H, and Z. Five, two letters and also constitute words, right? Six, the English alphabet is based on the Latin script, yeah. Which is the base of the set of the letter come out the very alphabet. For example, for the alphabet of the I think it's Spanish, Germany, French, and English. Alphabet original for the classical Latin alphabet. 7. There are 44 sounds in English, 24 consonant sound, and 20 word sound. Okay. Sorry, it's 44. And A in which is English, we say Z. In America, we say Z for that. 10. The English word alphabet comes from the first two letters of the Greek alphabet, alpha, beta. Okay. 11. The letters don't always represent the same sound of English. Well, now we're going to explain about the consonant. Consonant and sound with made that N is a wall. The breath is somehow broken on the way out of the mouth. The letter is B, C, D, F, J, I, J, K, L, M, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, A, T, B, S, Z, and usually W, H, and J are called consonants. There are 24 consonant sound in English divided in two types of the English sound. The first is voiceless sound, voiceless sound. The second is voiceless sound is my sound. Consonant 21 letter, 24 sound. Well, the first type we're gonna to explain. Is our voices sound. For example, B, ball, hobby, bird, duck, Annette, braid, jump, rush, jungle, J, gray, hunt, Lego, big, video, move, off. This one is this with mother. The has cozy zebra. Yeah. bizu, lizu, zero beach. I'm sorry, I don't remember the song. Sorry for that. M, mam, lam, Tommy. R, now, phonic, knife. That's all. Zinc, uncle, hungry. J, yes, onion, wheel, lie, feel, smelly, R, right, berry, wrong, wa, we, one, weird. The second time that I'm gonna to explain is voiceless sound. They are nine. They are nine sound. Yeah. The first is 10, jump, jogging. Sorry, hoping. Table, little, watching. Ish, shit, picture. K, car, look. Fire, love, fun. Think, this, healthy. S, C, sitting, nosy. Show, national, special. Age, house, hungry, food. Noting, every voicing sound has a similar voice sound. Well, guys, thank you very much. Thank you, my teacher. I hope that you understand my pronunciation. That I hope that you understand everything that I want to say. Thank you very much.